What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's hot, but I get a lot of emails and comments on the Bronco 1.5 liter, the Bronco Sport, and I want to talk about that because Ford just released something. Okay, a lot of you guys asked me, what do I think of the Bronco Sport with the 1.5 liter? Well, if I had to choose, I'd take the 2.0. The 1.5 liter, when it's working correctly, it's not a bad little engine, but they have water pump issues and a couple other things. Now, Ford just released yesterday an advance notice recall for the 2023 through 25 Escape and the Bronco Sport 2025 model equipped with the 1.5. And I'm going to go over that with you, but just to make it clear, if you're in the market for a Bronco Sport or for a 2025, 23, 24 Escape, just stay away from the 1.5. Get the bigger engine. You'll be much happier. So let's go over that advance notice right now. All right, here it is. Look, June 5th, 2025. I printed this out before I left work. New vehicle demonstration, delivery hold, advance notice, safety recall 25S61. Certain 2025 model year Bronco Sports and certain 23 through 25 Escape vehicles with the 1.5 engine cylinder head replacement. And the Escape is a 23 through 25 built in Louisville, April 14th, 2023 through May 5th, 2025. Bronco Sport 2025 model in the Hermosillo, November 15th, 24 through April 7th, 25. Now it shows 403 affected vehicles are identified in OASIS and FSA VIN list. FSA is Field Service Action. Reason for the recall: on the affected vehicles, the cylinder head may have a loose ball plug or ball plugs. This condition may result in a rapid oil leak if a ball plug comes out of the cylinder head. An oil leak in the presence of an ignition source, such as hot engine or exhaust components, can increase the risk of a fire. In addition, the loss of oil can result in engine seizure and loss of motive power, increasing the risk of a crash. Does that sound familiar? Engine seizure, loss of motive power. Unlike somebody we know, this is voluntary. This is a advance notice. Advance notice. This is not like forced by NHTSA. It's crazy because it says federal law requires dealers to complete this recall service before a new vehicle is delivered to the buyer or leasee. Violation of this requirement by a dealer could result in a civil penalty of up to $27,168 per vehicle. I wonder how they came up with that number. They just sit at a table and be like, $27,168 sounds right. That sounds like a good number. I mean, why couldn't it be, $1,000 or $500? Why does it have to be $27,168? So, and where is it? It's actually the Fixing America's Surface Transport Act. Law that was effective June 2016 prohibits a rental company from selling, renting, or leasing vehicles subject to a safety or compliance recall. Please consult your legal counsel for legal advice. So these are the vehicles: the Escape and the Bronco Sport. Year, model, build plant, build date. Right now, there's only 403. Okay. The reason I'm bringing this to your attention is because A, it is an advance notice and there's only 403 vehicles. Is there going to be any more out there? Presumably, maybe, possibly, don't know. Best bet, just get a 2.0. Get the big Bronco, not the Bronco Sport. I know a lot of you like the Bronco Sports though, but just stay away from the 1.5. If it doesn't have that issue, it's probably going to have the water pump issue. And then you're going to get lucky if it doesn't have a water pump issue. So, I mean, it's just, the risk to reward is not really worth it to me. I'd rather get the 2.0. So, I hope that helps. I love all the comments. I read all of them. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the emails. I do read those. I appreciate it, all of it, greatly. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.